Hello, my friends from YouTube. This is the last box for the year 2025 for Soul Sampler, and I'm going to open it. I have not opened this box and recorded it in forever, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and probably next year I'll be opening these boxes to see what they have inside. So I'm gonna go ahead right here. It feels heavy. Scarlet Homecoming, December 2025. Starlit. See what we have. Oh, we have universal needles for our sewing machine. A plus. We have these 2 5/4 are part of the Start Light front porch 5/4 bundle. These are pretty, blue and red. Wow, what do we have here? Oh, this is something new. Oh, and my scissors right here. Wow, this looks like clips. This looks like giant clips. And they have letters. These are awesome to organize your project. Oh my God, this is the best idea. This is the best idea ever. I love them. Look. I love these. How many do we have? The whole alphabet. And it has numbers too? No way. Well, this one just have the letters. Probably the alphabet. But I guess we can get numbers. Oh yeah, it has numbers. It has numbers too. Look at all the ones that come in here. There's a lot of them. Let me see if it says how many. 26 letters and 10 numbers to keep your fabrics organized. Awesome. I love it. That made me smile. I love that, because you know when you're gonna make a quilt, you gotta organize it and everything. Oh, that's awesome. Wonderful, wonderful gift. That's a really nice way to end the year. Then we have the block. For some reason I'm missing the block number 3, which I have to find out where I put it, but I have them all organized except for I'm missing the block number 3. And this is the quilt that they're talking about for this fabric. So we had a really nice box, and of course we had the fabric. Absolutely gorgeous fabric by Allison Harris, front porch from Wyndham Fabrics. The little dots are gorgeous. And so we have needles. We have this amazing organizer. Oh my God, this is like so amazing. This is like super awesome, because I usually get like a little paper and put it with the clips, but this is just great. So if they have this, they might have it bigger, so when we have like a lot of blocks, but I think this is pretty good. I think this will get a lot of fabric. Let's see. So we have like a whole bunch like this. Yep. Great idea. This is a great idea. I love that. So we have the clips with the letters and numbers. We have needles for our sewing machine, universal needles, we have fabric, we have more fabric, and we have the block of the month, and we also have a separate pattern for these fabrics. Awesome box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully next year I can have more videos. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing of because I've been getting the 5/4 shop, I just haven't been posting the videos. So hopefully you will come back next month for the unboxing of the 5/4 shop. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice, great year. End of the year. Happy New Year. Bye.